Hey Josh, it's Ken at Doxon Toyota. Just wanted to give you a walk around video here of the Volvo S40. From the information you provided, it looks like you have an Arlington address, so I did want to give you a heads up on how great a shape it's in. It's a one owner and great maintenance records. We did brakes, timing belt, and the full safety check. It's never been smoked in as far as I can tell, and I'm pretty sensitive to that. Interior is clean. No rips or tears. Sorry about the rain. It is Seattle here, so couldn't do much about that. And here's the interior. Real nice car for the money. And it looks really nice. Give me a call or text Friday morning. I get here at 9 o'clock, and I'll let you know if it's available, and then we can pick a time for you to come down and take a look at it. Thanks again, and looking forward to hearing back from you. Thanks, Josh.